Hi guys, I am Kamil. I have been working as a BI consultant for many years. Welcome back to our channel. If you are finding us first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button. In this series, I will try to explain each and everything which is very necessary for HR dashboard. In this video, we will talk about employees overview. Now here we have employees overview 2017, 18, 19 and 20. Headcount, hire, termination, turnover rate. Let's start now. So I'm gonna start with data source and I have an Excel file in this example. Just click on import data from Excel. Select the file. Here we have age, department, education, employees, and so on. So I'm gonna click on transform data. Here I'm gonna rename age group. Department, education, employees, okay. Just click on close and apply. So now here we have all data which we import from Excel file. So we're gonna go to data model. In the employees table, we have here two dates, hire date and termination date. How we will handle these two dates? First, we will create date table. So now we're gonna create dates table. New table. Dates equal to. We already know how to create date table. So here we create date table and enter. To get the best result of the time intelligence function, we need to make sure we have a date calendar and it's marked as a date in the model view. Mark as a date table. Select column, date or OK. So now here we have a date table. Now we will go back to our model. So here we are going to developing a model and we have two dates in our fact table and we can't place two relation between our date table and other table. So just click on hire date and termination date. So here we have one active relation and another one is inactive. So just click here. I'm gonna show you how you can utilize use relationship function with calculation function to activate relationship in our model. Go back to report. Now I'm gonna create a table that is called calculation. Now we're gonna create our first calculation that is called head count. Right click calculation, new measure. Calculate. Count X. Filter. Employees. Employees hire date. Less than or equal to max. Date. Is blank. Employee just right click on column 1, delete. So here we have head count. Now I'm gonna add page background. Click here, format, page background, add image. So here I have image. Fit, transparency 0. Visualization, category of, title, head count, font color. I use here color D8 CFC 2. And background color alignment center, bold. Background we will use 245361. Shadow we will use inside. Data color white. Font size 40. Now is okay. Now we need slice. Here we need slicer. Format. Okay. Format. Header off. Font color. Control single slicer. Okay. So here I need hires. Calculation, new measure. Equal to enter. Now here we will use relationship. Employees hire date with date. If you remember in our data model, we have two inactive relationship. That's why I will use here use relationship to make a relation active. So now here we have hire. Just copy and paste this. Change field hires. Title. So here we need now termination. Go to calculation, new measure. Termination equal to calculate count employee IDs. So here we're gonna use calculate with count all employees IDs with the relation of terminal dates and dates. Copy paste. Format. Title. Termination. So now we're gonna make it little bold here. So here we're gonna use turnover rate. Right click calculation, new table. If we're gonna create turnover rate percentage, so first we have to find out how many we have employees last period. Last period employees equal to, here is a calculation you can find out last period employees. So now here we will calculate one more measure to find out turnover rate, employees turnover. Right click. So here we will create one more measure to find out how many employees has been left. Now we're gonna create one more calculation to find out turnover percentage. So now here we have, so now we finally calculate turnover rate. Var variable turnover rate equal to headcount plus last period employees divided by 2, and it will be written how many employees has been left and divided by these two. So here we have a formula, employees turnover rate equal to employees who left, employees at the beginning. Here we will create the same logic to find out turnover rate. Copy paste. Turnover rate percentage format, title, I think this is little bit more complicated DAX measurement or calculation. But if we want, we can use simple calculation right now. In the future, I will explain you how we can create more complicated DAX measure. Right click calculation, new measure. Divide termination, headcount and blank. Enter. Percentage. So here we can find out yearly turnover rate. If you want, you can use this calculation or that one. It will be depend on your company or your assignment which turnover rate calculation you're gonna use. So now here we will find out how many female and male we have by the help of head count. Multi-row card, calculation, multi-row card, employee, gender, head count, percentage. Go to format, category of, yes, border of, bottom line, data label, data label, bold, shed off. So now here I need average age of headcount. Calculation, new measure, calculate, employees, average, employee age, employee hire date, relation with date. Here we can calculate average employee's age, use relationship, employee hire date and dates. Format, rename, title name. Decibel number and 0. Average age. If you want, you can change font color. So now here we have headcount, hire, termination, turnover rate, female, male, and average age. Now save. Now here I need headcount by contract type. Headcount, employees, contract type, headcount, format, data color, I use here DB66AE and permanent 8184D6. Background, border of shadow, title, center, white, label position outside, the position right center, title on, color, you can choose whatever you want. Now it's look better. Now here I need head count by age. age group, and head count. Format, white, white, title of, title of, data color, I use here DB66AE. Head count by age range. Now here I need head count by education. Now education, value head count. Now here I need head count by department. Department, values head count. Okay, we take this one. Okay, but if you want you can change also this color. Now here I need head count by position. Position, head count, and format. So if you want, so you can change. Also, okay, so now I need one more page, front page. Page background, add image, %0. So here I need insert, button, blank, off, outline off, background off, action, page navigation, page number 1. Here I need a home button, image. Here I have a file, scaling, fit, insert, button, blank, off, background off, action, on, go to page navigation, page 2. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. In the next video, I will continue this HR dashboard. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye. Take care.